Welcome to Shasikara's astrological series. In this video tutorial, I'm going to explain step by step how to calculate the Sudarshana Chakra Dasa. And for to calculate the Sudarshana Chakra Dasa, what we need is the perfect exact inclination of the Lagna for a native. And once you know the Lagna, then there are three steps to be followed to calculate the Sudarshan Chakra, which I'm going to explain to you here in this presentation. In Saptarushi websites, there is an article quite a long time back. The article was titled Sudarshana Chakradasa, a new approach, part 1. In part 1, the author Sanjeev Ranjan Mishra had explained how to calculate the Sudarshana Chakradasa, and then using the Sudarshana Chakradasa how to do the predictions. In this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same article, the calculations that the author has mentioned there, and I'm going to explain step by step and then give one or two examples to show how to do the calculations. That way the whoever is interested in learning can see the examples and practice it. And personally, I use the Microsoft. I don't do the calculations every time. I wrote them in using Microsoft Excel. I wrote some macros so that the calculations are done automatically. As an example, I'm taking the birth chart of the late Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, and if you look at the chart, the inclination was defined as 27 degrees and 22 minutes, and then using that Lagna inclination we just start calculating the Sudarshana Chakra Dasa balance periods. Since the Lagna is 27 degrees and 22 minutes, first of all we need to find out how many days in for that Lagna is remained in the Sudarshana Chakra Dasa, the first cycle. So what we do is there are three steps to be followed. The step 1 is you take the degrees, which is 27 degrees here, multiply with 12, then you get 24. Then step 2 is you take the minutes, which is 22 here, divide it by 5 and take the nearest round integer. Here 22 divided by 5 is 4. So the step 1 we got 324. Step 2 we got number 4. In the third step, what we do is we add the value in step 1 and step 2, and the total whatever we get we subtract from 360. So what we are going to do here in this example is 360 minus 328, which is equal to 32. So this is the 32 days is what is balance in the Lagna for this particular native. So this is the number of days for the first cycle for the first house to say it has been completed in Sudarshana Chakra Dasa. From the birth chart you have to add 32 days. Once you add 32 days to the birth chart, date of birth, then in the first cycle the first house period will be completed. Then the second house period will start, and each house will take 365 days. So for the second house it will take another next 1 year, third house the next 1 year, like that. By the time the first cycle is completed, you will be adding 11 years, because the Lagna, the first house, it has taken only 32 days, and the remaining 11 years you add it, then the first cycle is said to be completed. That's how you calculate the Lagna. Once you get the Lagna inclination, that's how you calculate the first house balance period, and then calculate the whole for the whole cycle number. First cycle, when is the first cycle going to end? Now that we had calculated that by using step 1, step 2 and step 3, we came to know that there are only 32 days left for in the first cycle for the first house period. So how do we do it? We know the date of birth as 19th November 1917. So the Lagna cycle starts on 19th November 1917, and you add 32 days to it. That comes to approximately December 20, 1917. So in the first cycle, the first house period will be completed on 20th December 1917. Then the second house to through the 12th house, we just add 11 years to it. So that means from 20th December 1917, if you add 11 years, that comes to 23rd October 1928. So the first cycle has completed. The Sudarshana Chakra Dasa first cycle has completed by 1928 October 23rd. Then the second cycle starts the day after, and you will have, for the second cycle you have 12 years, so you add 12 years to that. So it will end on 21st August 1940. That's how you can calculate the first after the from the second cycle onwards, or you just keep adding 12 years, 1 year for each house, and then the first one will be the first house. Like that you keep going, the 12th year will be the 12th house. Let me take another example and try to explain you one more time the three steps. Here is the example number 2. The date of birth is 10th June 1964 and the Lagna inclination is 18 degrees 06 minutes. If you see the Excel spreadsheet, you will see that the Lagna balance as 143. So let me explain to you how I got that 143. The step 1 is multiply degrees with 12. So 12 into 18, which is 216. Step 2 is divide the minutes by 5 and get the nearest integer. 6 divided by 5 is 1. And then step 3 is add values of step 1 and step 2, that is 216 plus 1, which is equal to 217. Subtract from 360. So what you do is that 360 minus 217, which is equal to 143. So that's exactly how you got here as the Lagna balance days as 143. Now when you go to Sudarshana Chakra Dasa, in the first cycle, the Lagna house, the Lagna period or the first house period started on 10th June 1964, and you add 143 days to it. That will be October 30th 1964. Once that's done, in the first cycle, the second house through the 12th house will be 11 years long. So from October 30 1964, you add 11 years, that will be October 30 1975. So by October 30 1975, the first cycle of Sudarshana Chakra Dasa will be completed. Then the second cycle begins. Again, in the second cycle, you start with the first house and go all the way to the 12th house. So you from 1975 you add 12 years, which will be 1987. In the third cycle, it will end in 1999. The fourth cycle 2011, and currently for this particular NATO, the fifth cycle of Sudarshana Chakra Dasa is running, which is started in 2011 and it will last all the way till 2023. Thank you for watching this presentation. I'm hoping that you understood how to calculate the Sudarshana Chakra Dasa. And once you calculate the Sudarshan Chakra Dasa, if you want to know how to do the predictions based upon that, you can either go to the YouTube, and in my YouTube channel you can find there are 2 or 3 of the videos that I had uploaded in YouTube channel to how to predict the possibility for a native to get married using Sudarshana Chakra Dasa, and you can watch those videos and learn the predictions through this. Thank you again.